Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds. And restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check your app update. Tap on App Store, search YouTube app, tap on YouTube app, check the app update are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your iPhone version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check your date and time. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on date and time. If set automatically zoom is not enabled, Google turn it on and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix YouTube not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.